Hello guys, this is Neltat FX. From now on, I've decided to make a weekly analysis on a YouTube channel, like open a YouTube channel where I'll be posting weekly or even daily analysis of the trades I'm going to be pairing. Please go look up this page, Neltech FX, and follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting a lot of my analysis there as well. Let's get down to the charts. So first, I'll lay off a disclaimer. The analysis I do here, Forex is risky. Everybody knows that. So please do not trade money you cannot afford to lose. And trade your own analysis. Trade your plan your trades. I'm just giving an overview of what I think is going to happen in the market over the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, or next couple of months. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm right. Every trader knows that it's a 50-50 chance of you winning or losing in the market. Now let's get down to business. This has been my favorite pair over the last few days. USD MXN, Mexican dollar over the US dollar. It's been moving quite very vigorously. First of all, I should tell you, I use BBMA, the strategy BBMA for trading. That's Bollinger Bands and moving averages. Also combining that with FMCBR. If you want to know more about that, please leave a comment or just send me a direct message or send me an email via my Instagram channel. And if you want to request a video of me making a BBMA and FMCBR video, I'd be happy to do that. So let's get down to business. First of all, I don't want to start up here. Let's start up here anyway, so it's good. So we caught the pair earlier on this week around here on this shoulder here, when it came to retest the shoulder here at the level of 27.5347. We sold it up to the first support level. The first support level at this point, that's where we took our profit. And now we're just waiting for the next hit, which you see directly here on BBMA. The next entry will be either at an H4 re-entry, which is supposed to be at this point here, or possibly after a CSD, we're gonna have a CSD re-entry on daily at this point. So what we're expecting of USD MXN for now is, if it gives us a CSD, which I think this candle is already a candlestick direction, at this point it's either gonna come back up for a re-entry on daily and then push back down, to our weekly re-entry so that we can buy again, or we're gonna have to wait for the H4 re-entry to come up, which I think it's gonna be pretty close. H4 re-entry, rejection of the MAs on H1, and then we're gonna enter for a short. Our target right now for now is at this level here, bouncing off EMA 50. That's around 19.77660. That's where we'll be looking to buy, and that's where we're willing to short up to. Looking at this schematic here on H4, our TP is approximately at 19. Let me check that again. 19.77660. 19.77660 is about 19.77660. 19.77660 is about this point here. So probably taking profit off of this area here. So we're gonna be riding this bounce back and forth through H1, this support and resistance channel that we've been given here. So we'll just wait for a good time to enter. This is like still in the middle, it's still ranging a little bit. So we're just gonna wait for a good time to enter, and then we're gonna go short. Checking up Euro USD, this has been a very good pair for us over the past few weeks. Also here, it's a matter of patience. I don't think there's a trade yet here. Well, I'm willing to be patient up to this point here. The euros are still very bullish. So maybe up to that point where we get a re-entry on weekly, because I still feel like this re-entry still stands. I missed it off here, off this re-entry here. I thought it was gonna go a bit higher. It was gonna go up to a high of 1.20371, but it didn't get to that high. It only came in cross dip switching through the ECB speech that happened, I think, last week. And then yeah, I missed the short, but I think it's still giving us hope to a point where it will retest this region here. And if it retests this region, I will be looking to go short, but the maximum I'm willing to hold up to, it's still at this point of 1.2371. So yeah, it's either we short here and hold up to this point. Our stops will be right above here, maybe at this region here, and yeah, that's where we're willing to hold up to. Using FMCBR at this position, we see this is our lowest leg. This is actually EL3, an EL3 entry. If you check this out, the candles came and retested our base candle, and drawing this up, I'm looking to get out of TP2, which is exactly where that is right there. So TP2 retest reversal, I'm willing to hold my trade up to that point, and then we'll see how it goes. For right now, these are just setups. They're not confirmed yet. We're just waiting for the market to give us a place to enter, and then we'll see. I don't have anything on USD JPY at the moment. This has been a confusing pair for me. Probably this is one we have to wait, because I don't see an entry or a setup at any time frame. Maybe using other strategies there might be a couple of setups, but right now I don't see any. So we'll just have to wait at this point to see what the pair gives us, because I initially thought this was a re-entry short for USD JPY, but then again, it is not very clear for me, and I don't take something that I'm not really certain about, because I really go in with very heavy volumes. So yeah, looking at GBP USD, same as Euro USD, we were waiting for a re-entry on weekly to take us down to about this is where I'm saying this is supposed to go down. This is supposed to take us down to about probably take profit at this region right here at 1.28165. It also did what Euro USD did to us. It just came, flagged a bit over here, and then it retraced down. We missed the trade because we're expecting to enter right around this region here. So now we have to wait again to see what this retracement is going to give us. It is not a re-entry sell, ladies and gentlemen. But then we're going to wait to see what's going to give us. Maybe it might give us a re-entry buy on H4. That's yet to be seen. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. A pullback of this candlestick to come retest this region here, and then we go up to our re-entry, and then come retest this upper MAs and see what happens. If you notice, these are mostly technicals. I only add fundamentals once I have the full setup that I'm gonna go into. So right now it's just technical analysis of what's gonna happen in the next couple of weeks. Here is a good trade. AUD USD. This is a very good re-entry on daily. All I'm waiting for this trade right here, you see it's already marked up. I've been waiting for this trade for a while now. So we have our re-entry on daily. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna wait for rejection on our EMA 50. If you look at our FMCBR on H1, you will see that our take profit 3 is about let me do that properly. Let's not just speculate. Our take profit 3 is going to be right around the region. Either it's going to be take profit, I don't remember if it's take profit 3 or take profit 2, but I think it's a take profit 2, hey? Yeah, it's a take profit 2. It's exactly at a region where we're expecting it, so we're going to hit TP2 at this point. Anything below TP2 is a retracement. We hit TP2, we go short. and we'll see what the market gives us for the rest of the day. You can clearly see that there's a momentum, CSM. After every CSM, you know that there has to be a re-entry. This is just coming back off of a big re-entry on weekly, so it's a good trade for us. I'm looking to carry this trade up to probably I think by the time this video is uploaded, I would have executed this trade. So you guys will probably have to wait for entries on lower time frames like H1 and H4 and minute 15. But then we're looking to take this short up to let me increase the time frame here to TP3, which is about it was just shy short of TP3 actually. 73410 is our take profit for this one. You see it's just a re-entry just after TP2. So after every take profit there has to be a re-entry. So we're just gonna wait for this one to confirm, and we're gonna go short on this one. NZD USD is also doing particularly the same thing. We have a daily re-entry after a huge re-entry on H4 that we had. We took our profits at this region here. I remember taking profit at that candlestick there, that candlestick close or open right there. Now it's retracing back on a daily re-entry. So what we're gonna wait for now is a retest of the daily re-entry, retesting this MAs up at the top, and then we're gonna wait for a formation of a reversal pattern here on this H1 time frame, and we're gonna see what happens. Using FMCBR to confirm probably takes us to TP2, which was our reversal take profit. You can clearly see we're going to bounce off TP2 and then we're going to come back down. As for where we're going to go to, that's yet to be analyzed. I haven't analyzed that part yet. Let me just do that right now. Let's see where our take profits lie on a bigger time frame. It's probably going to be to a low of TP3, just daily. Our TP3 lies at this nice number here at 67920. So that's our TP3. That's what we're looking to hit at the moment. So right now we're just gonna wait for this daily re-entry to finish this retracement. If we wanna go up with it, we'll just wait for re-entries on smaller time frames. We actually just missed the re-entry in H1, so it's fine. We can just wait for it to come retest our TP2 and then we go short. AUDJPY has to be doing similar to what AUDUSD is doing. You can clearly see we're expecting a re-entry after a big M pattern there. We're gonna have a re-entry on on daily, extreme on H4. So that's exactly what we're hoping for at this point. There was already analysis done on this pair to go long. So right now we're looking to go short and take profit. That is actually very wrong right there. Not correct. Yeah, but then we're looking for a re-entry here. Let me do. Yeah, I made a mistake. I'm not supposed to do that there. I'm supposed to do that on this time frame, on the daily time frame where the re-entry is happening. So we're gonna have to take our profit somewhere at TP2. After every take profit, I said there's a re-entry. So TP1 re-entry. It was already hit TP2, rejected TP2. So we're gonna be going to TP3 just like AUDUSD. So we have AUD analysis done, and we're expecting the Australian dollar to lose a couple of cents over the next coming days or weeks. Looking at the gold at the moment, gold is one trade that we missed, which is very beautiful. It had a very nice weekly re-entry at this point. Of course, we were expecting. I just missed this. I remember this. I just missed this. I was expecting this to come hit the top MA, but then the rejection had already happened on daily, and then just like free fell. So what I'm expecting now is like probably a re-entry on daily here, a second chance for me to enter again and go short with it. probably rejecting these MAs over there and then going short for longer. This is just an overview of how I analyze my pairs. So yeah, so probably we're gonna be looking to hit this level next on weekly. This is the level I'm looking to hit next. That's where my track profits are gonna be after the daily re-entry, and I'm just gonna hold for the next couple of days. One pair that gave me problems is the Euro pairs, Euro AUD. I expected this to be short, which it is short, but then it's very it's jumpy over the past couple of days. As you can see, these two candles are where I lost a couple of dollars last week, because I was expecting this to go short, but then they went long, and those are daily candles, by the way. So what I'm expecting basically is a very powerful re-entry on daily. You can see it's already marked up here. A very powerful re-entry on daily, rejection of this section here of MA50 and bottom BB, and then we're gonna have to have a formation on H1 at that point for us to go long, similar to Euro CAD on daily. We're expecting a very nice powerful re-entry at this point. Only Euro pair that's not cooperating with this, it's Euro JPY, which is far right. So we're gonna expect a rejection at that point and then a formation at this point. So all we have to do is wait for that pair. GBP NZD, I'm skimming past this charts very quickly, but over the next few videos we're gonna have to focus on 3 or 4 pairs per week, and we're gonna be trading those 3 or 4 pairs per week. Right now I'm just skimming over everything since this is the first video. So here we're looking at a failed re-entry basically. I think this is a good re-entry on monthly. I missed the entry at this point. A good re-entry on monthly, going up to a nice take profit at here. Exactly. Yeah, I had forgotten that. Taking a nice take profit at this point right there. So this is a nice re-entry at this point. We're gonna go long up to this point over there. The rejection is already confirmed, and we already have our extreme and MOV at this point. This is just a matter of holding. We're gonna look for re-entry positions on H4 and see what it. Oh my God, there was just a re-entry. I missed it. Yeah, there was just a re-entry. I missed it. There's a re-entry on H4 going long, but we missed it. It's okay. I'm gonna see how to reanalyze that and get an entry on a smaller time frame, which is gonna be good for us. Already done Euro CAD, GBP CHF. I really don't like this pair. I've lost a lot of money over it. At this point here, I went long here. Let me just highlight that point. I went long at this point here. I thought it was supposed to go long. It went short, and ever since then, I think I should just close this chart because it's not a best friend of mine anymore. GBP AUD, what do we have here? These are pairs that I think of going very short. Besides GBP NZD, this is a pair that's going very short. We have, of course, we have that re-entry here on weekly. Oh yeah, this is going long. Only GBP JPY and GBP USD are going short. This is going very long. Also similar to GBP NZD, to the similar point up there. We're not gonna look into that anymore. For the rest of the pairs, I'm not gonna go through them. The US dollar index. I had this traded last week. No, not last week, this week actually. For a short, I took my profit this morning. Here, I just took my profit this morning at that point. This is still going very short actually. You look at my analysis on weekly. I'm expecting a very nice head and shoulders at this point. Probably might go shorter than this, but I'm expecting it to go long. Can I just cancel this? Yeah, I'm expecting to either come retest this area. We'll see what happens when it gets to this area. It might go short, continue going short, or go long. It's still yet to be seen, but for now, at this point, we're going short. AUD CHF, similar to the other pairs which are going long but have a daily re-entry. So I think we're going to be eating very nicely along the coming week on AUD pairs. This is where the money is for now. So it's yet to be seen what's going to happen when they reach this re-entry point, whether they're going to continue going long or going to go short. But every indication for me in the analysis is telling me that these pairs are going short for now. AUD and ZD, similar to the other pairs. Is it similar? This one is already it's a re-entry point. But then this re-entry is not very convincing. So this is yet to be seen. I'm not going to trade this pair. I'm going to trade the other ones that I analyzed. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this week. I'll probably post a video tomorrow or later when we get a re-entry, a fresh re-entry on all our AUD pairs, because that's where it seems like the easy money is for now. All the other pairs we need to wait for a couple of days, a couple of weeks for us to get fully functional setups. Then that's it for now. Thank you very much for joining in.